My name is Norma Corrado, and that's what we're going to do now. The first step is to study the lavender flower. Draw a line, then do an oval circle around it. Let's get to know the lavender buds. They are oval-shaped. And as they bloom, small flower petals emerge from the top of the bud. Now that we're familiar with the little lavender flowers, let's fit them onto the stems. First, draw the central stem. Then, create an oval shape where the buds will be. At the top of the stem, place the first set of little flowers. Draw 3 oval buds. To complete this section, add a small leaf on each side of the stem, respecting the oval circle's boundary. Now that we know how the buds look, let's study the leaves. Lavender leaves are long and quite simple to draw. Next, let's explore the structure of the lavender flower itself. It consists of 4 to 5 sets of small buds. These sets are separated by small leaves at the base. As we've seen, start the drawing from the top of the stem with a small set of buds. Now create the second set just below the first, leaving some space between them. At this point, you can draw some partially bloomed buds. Repeat this process for the other sets, following the oval guide. Near the stem's end, create a small bud set and 2 larger leaves. Extend the stem and add larger leaves as shown in the study. Now that we understand the desired flower structure, let's create a floral arrangement using the learned technique. I teach this technique for lavender and other flowers in my book, Watercolor Flowers Without the Use of a Sketch. The book is available on Amazon. You'll find the purchase link in the video description. And buy my book Watercolor Flowers Without the Use of Sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description.